Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning out this tractor cab, and I've done it on my old channel, so you can look at that after this video. You gotta finish watching this one too. And I'm going to put bloopers in here because I love bloopers, and I think some of you do too. But you're gonna come along with me to clean this tractor cab. I usually sweep first, but I'm gonna open the door. Door opened. I forgot I was recording. I'm gonna put this like I usually have it like that. So this was all that was on the ground in the last video that I did this on my old channel. There was a lot more stuff, and then I had a broom and it was underneath everything. But that's all that's on the ground, but minus garbage. So now we're gonna throw away the garbage, but first I need to take all this out. So okay, so there's just bottles in there. And I did have a garbage one, but someone took it. Now everything's off the ground, so I can sweep. So this is the floor. Okay, finished sweeping the floor. So last year I sprayed the windows down and wiped it down with paper towel or something like that. But there's a better way. Okay, I'm gonna clean all of the windows and then I think we'll be done. Window done. And I'm also gonna clean like this and any mirrors. Let's clean this mirror. Okay, so for this I don't use this because it's too big. But I'm just gonna use paper towel. And just there. You know, I remember cleaning this window now, so oops. And it might still look dirty, but that's just the outside. Last window, done. Now we can do the outside and the screens. Before, after. And this is the paper towel. Before, after, and after. Now we can go and do the outside windows because that's clearly what needs to be cleaned. Before, this is after. Oops. And I'll show you a close-up of up there because it's kind of hard to see it like that. Here's the front window close-up. The next one I'm gonna clean is that, and run away, paper towel. Now I'm just gonna clean all of this up. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be cleaning out this tractor cab. I've done that. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Now everything's off the ground. So where's my broom?